Hello, my name is Tiffany, and this is my husband Dwayne, and we are patients with Dr. Hay. I was diagnosed with scoliosis around 14, 15 years old. I did not receive bracing. At that time, I wasn't in any type of pain, so my parents just kind of said, you know, she'll be okay, although it was a pretty severe curve at that point. Like I said, I was cheerleading and running track and playing tennis, so we didn't pursue it. A couple of years ago, I started feeling kind of bad or whatever, and talked to my primary about it, and that's when we discovered that my scoliosis had started to progress. And then he referred me to Dr. Hay, actually insisted that I came to Dr. Hay, where we did find out that the scoliosis had progressed. We decided to do a little bit of physical therapy for a while to see if that helped with some of the pain. But while we did the physical therapy, the scoliosis continued to progress in that time frame. So we decided to go ahead and have surgery in February of 2013. The surgery itself, from what I remember, went very, very well. I was in the hospital a couple of days. Dr. Hay came and visited the family. I love the fact that he prayed with us before and after. As people of faith, that was very important to us, and it really made them feel very comforted as well. My wonderful nurse here, my husband, did quite a bit for me throughout the recovery phase. For me, the recovery was a little bit longer due to some other medical issues, but for the most part, I'm 6 months out now, and I am, doing very well. I'm getting back to my normal life and return to work. I want to say, what was it, right at 8 weeks? Mm-hmm. Right, 8 weeks after surgery, and it's just been a wonderful blessing so far. I did see some of these videos prior. There was another lady on there, her son had surgery, and then she had surgery afterwards. And just listening to her give her testimony about it made me feel better because, a lot of times when you hear about scoliosis surgeries, it's always about children and teenagers who they recover relatively quickly. But for someone who was a little bit older having the surgery and hearing somebody else say that it took them a little bit longer made me feel a little bit better within my recovery.
No, we're just very pleased with the staff here, and just been awesome experience. Even we've had to call and have a question over a patient, and we've just been overwhelmed with how wonderful everyone here is. I just want to say thank you.
Staff at the hospital was very, very excellent. I work for one of the competing hospitals, and we were very, very impressed with the care that we got here at the hospital. The nurses were great, the physical therapy. I think when they rolled me out of the OR and they said they're going to have me up and walking in a day or two, my husband thought y'all were crazy. Right. And he even said that they're crazy. But sure enough, I was up and walking and going up and downstairs and learning how to get in and out of the car within a day or so of surgery. So
quite impressive.
You were sharing something about your experience at the beach this summer?
Yes, I went to the beach a couple of weeks ago, and for the first time since being diagnosed, I actually put on my bathing suit and was not self-conscious about the way my body was shaped. The surgery was a wonderful weight loss booster. I think I lost like 20-some pounds since the surgery. That helped as well, but I was able to put my swimsuit on and know that everything fell in the right place and that I wasn't self-conscious walking around. So.
Awesome.